Hello everyone, and I think you are very well. Okay, today we will discuss about a job notification that is coming from the RATS, which is a mini Ratna PSU, and which is comes under the Ministry of Railway. Okay, so here the vacancy for electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and civil engineer in civil engineering. So these three branches are applicable for today's recruitment in RITS, and this is for through the gate. If you appear in the gate 21 and 2022, if have a good score in any of these 2 years, then you are eligible. The most and first criteria is gate. Okay, but before going into the detailed notification, I am requesting to all of you, if you new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon which is next to it, so that you never miss such videos related to the civil engineering and job notification. Now come to the detailed notification. Okay, uh, you can see this is the website of RATS. You can go to that career and you will see this interface, and you can download the first recruitment first notification here, and I'm already downloaded, and I'm going to the notification. So this is the notification, as you can see. Now scrolling up, oh, this is the yeah, this is the branches which is eligible for this recruitment: civil, mechanical, electrical. And as far as the number of vacancies concerned, 25 for civil and 15 for mechanical, and electrical is 8. So this is the vacancy and this is the branch. Okay, and now come to the age, and minimum age is 21 years and maximum age is 30 years, and age is counted on 1/7/2021. Okay, and as far as the education qualification is concerned, if you have a full-time BE, VTech, BSc engineering degree in civil, mechanical or electrical, then you are applicable. Okay, and in mechanical, some other degrees are also eligible, like production, industrial engineering, automobile engineering. And likewise in electrical, another degree is electrical, and electronics is also eligible with electrical engineering. Okay, but in civil engineering only one degree, that is civil engineering degree in civil engineering, is applicable. Relaxation and concession, as you know, by the government of India, the age relaxation is 3 year for OBC non-criminal layer, and 5 year relaxation for SC/ST. Okay, so you will get the age relaxation as per the government rule. And as far as the disability is concerned, you can see the kind of disability with respect to the particular branch. Okay, in whatever disability you come, then you can see in which disability you come. Okay, you are eligible or not. Now selection procedure, this is the important stage in any recruitment procedure. Okay, firstly you should appear in the gate 2020 or gate 2021. Okay, and you have a gate code: CE for civil engineering, ME for mechanical engineering, and EE for electrical engineering. Okay, so you appear in this to get. If you have a highest marks in any of them, then you can put that marks first, because shortlisting based on your highest marks. Come to the percentage mark distribution and selection procedure: 75% marks for gate. Okay, and 25 marks for interview, and 75 marks, yeah. And you should have one thing is that you should be secure minimum 60% marks in interview for general category and EWS category, and 50% marks for SC/ST, OBC non-criminal and PWD. Now nature and period of engagement. Firstly, if you selected from this recruitment, then you first go to the training of 2 month, you know, and on completion of training of this 2 month, you will go to as an engineer, okay, and with a pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 on a probation period, for a period of 2 years. After completing this probation period, you will become permanent, okay. And remuneration is concerned, the pay scale is 40,000 to 1,40,000 during the training period, okay, with starting basic pay 40,000. And other thing also you benefited leave allowance and maternity leave and paternity leaves, and medical facility, accident and death insurance, leave encasement. For these two, three for regular employees, and these as per the company rule applicable. And as per the CTC is concerned, 12 lakh per annum for engineer, 12 lakh per annum. And now the one thing is which is very important as well, service agri bond, okay. If you are come to the general category, the service bond is 1 lakh plus GST additional applicable for general category. And OBC non-criminal, 50,000 GST additional for a period of 3 years, okay. Before 3 years you leave the job, then definitely you pay this amount, 1 lakh for general category and 50,000 for OBC non-criminal, okay. Now come to the see the we will discuss about the fees, what exactly the application fee of particular category. Then as far as the general and OBC candidate is concerned, 600 plus taxes as applicable, and EWS SC ST PWD candidate 300 plus taxes as applicable. Now how to apply? You just go into the RITS website and go to into the career section, and where you can apply easily. And the most and very important thing is also commencement of submission of online application is will be start 30/7/2021, okay. Last date of submission of online application 25/8/2021, and date of selection to be notified later. So this is the notification of GETG in RITS. So I am requesting to you, all of you, again, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon next to it, so that you never miss such videos, okay, related to the civil engineering and all kind of job notification. And thank you for watching.